Gamer's Paradise time. Let's go. This is the Gamer's Paradise. We're working on it. But Best Buy actually wanted to sponsor today's video and send us over some of the latest Razer products. And I figured we have the space. We're gonna have a PC set up here. So why not have some fun? All right, guys, so the first thing we've got is the new Razer Viper V3 Pro. All right, so let's check this thing out. Clean. So this is the V3 Pro.
What happened?
This thing is light. What? Feel it.
What?
I wish.
Like holding a paper.
Yeah.
I don't even know if there's a mouse in my hand.
That's crazy. All right, we're gonna talk about this in a second, but let's see what else we've got. So we have the V3 Pro dongle over here. Now this thing is what's going to get you the true 8,000 hertz wireless polling rate, low latency. This is exactly what you want if you're getting a serious gaming mouse. Right, and underneath that, we've got a nice braided cable, USB A to C, and of course, some paperwork, some stickers as well as grips. I like these. This is like the same thing we saw with the Razer Viper Mini, the Signature Edition, so that you can add some grip to your mouse when you're using it. All right, so we already know this thing is crazy lightweight, but it also features Razer's 3rd generation optical mouse switches. And underneath, we've got Razer's 2nd generation Focus Pro optical sensor. And a nice lightweight gaming mouse is absolutely what you want when you're playing games like first-person shooters, because all of those precise movements are critical. I'm an Apex Pro, so take it from me.
That we don't know.
Anyway, it is really important for your mouse to be lightweight as well as have really low latency, so those precise movements for your aim don't get hindered at all. Now, battery life, can we guess?
85. Quick question, is there a battery in there?
Of course.
Built-in battery?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's wireless.
6 hours?
6 hours.
That's so loud.
This thing has got 95. So 95 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is absolutely insane. All right, so let me turn this thing on. This thing, that's how you know it's all about business. There's no RGB. There's just one LED, so you can go ahead and pair it up. This thing is serious. But there are 2 versions, black and white. But all right, that just blew my mind. And of course, you guys, if you want to get your hands on it, links are going to be down below in the description, but you can also just head to your nearest Best Buy and pick up the V3 Pro or any other Razer gear you want. And you know what's wild? You'd think all of the pros would have like a crazy mouse with all the buttons and macros and all that kind of stuff. But this is the kind of mouse that like serious gamers use. The simple ones that just get the job done. Their movements is all that matters. All right, next up, we've got the Razer Gigantus V2. So this is a extra large gaming mouse pad. Let's check it out. There's a lot of green going on over here. Dang, this is a really big mouse pad because this is a giant screen and it sits perfectly like right in the center of it. You know, got the Razer green. We are staying on brand. Oh baby. So right here, guys, we've got the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro. And this is actually my first time seeing this in person. Oh wow. I like what they did here for gamers by gamers. All right, so we've got the Huntsman over here. Then we've got a small quick start guide. And then we've got our USB-C to A cable over here. And we've got our wrist rest. And that's magnetic, so that's a nice touch. Wait a minute, Jay, are my mouse and keyboard gaming days about to come back to us? All right, let's plug this thing in. That's nice. Hold on, quick typing test, shall we? No.
It's a gaming keyboard, what are you?
Yeah, you're not wrong. We're not here to type, we're here to shoot. We'll kill that part, Now, the Huntsman's got serious gamers in mind too. There's a lot of features in here pretty much tailored to serious gaming. I'm talking about control over just how quickly the keyboard detects that you're pressing the keys. That's a customizable feature here, which most people are like, what? Just press the key. But for real gamers, the ability to customize when those key presses actuate, that's a big deal. All right, so far so good, but we can't end it off with that. This right here is the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro.
Cool name.
Listen, it's Razer. What do you expect? The Huntsman, Viper, BlackShark. Come on. All right, so we've got the gaming headset over here. So it's got this cool over-ear design. But let's check out what else we got over here. So we've got a USB extender, USB-C to A. You also have the mic, so it's a detachable mic. Pop that in. And of course, can't forget the paperwork. So the big thing here is that Razer's Triforce 50mm drivers are included in this. If you can't tell, my voice is a little crazy as it is right now, so I don't know if it's even a fair test to try out the mic.
What happened to your voice?
Have you not noticed anything?
Oh, it's a little, okay.
Did anybody notice that my voice is different?
Now I hear it.
Oh my gosh, you edit my videos. Anyway, we've got some noise isolating foam on the side. So I mean, we're set up, you guys. I feel like there's only one thing left to do. This game. All right, y'all, that's enough for today. If you guys want to pick up the latest Razer Viper V3 Pro, of course, you know Best Buy has everything that you need to up your gaming. You know, they've got a ton of Razer peripherals. But that wraps it up, you guys. I'm excited to build out the rest of this gamer's paradise. We got a lot of great options over here for what is going to be in that video, so your boy is pumped. It's finally happening, y'all. Peace.